Hi, my name is Huisken. I'm a scientist at the Morgridge Institute for Research in Madison. So we're here at the PI booth in Chicago at the Society of Neuroscience conference. And we are showcasing the Flamingo instrument here, which uses PI stages to move the specimen in this high-resolution microscope. The core technology behind the Flamingo microscope is light sheet microscopy. The idea is to illuminate the specimen from the side with a thin sheet of laser light, and that allows us to record very fast phenomena. So we can image the beating heart of a zebrafish or blood flow or brain activity. We can also do very long time-lapse experiments. So because the phototoxicity is so low with these systems, we can image the development of an embryo. The Flamingo project is our latest instrument that we're developing. The idea behind this is to share the technology with the biologists by bringing the microscope into their labs. So instead of the biologists traveling to us with their precious samples, we can take the hardware and bring it to their labs so they can run their experiments in their own lab. Typically, the microscopes in the lab are built on big breadboard tables, optical tables, and the building process of such an instrument can take a year or two. Now we've achieved, with this modular system that took us about 2 years of development, we can build these instruments in about a day. So for the first time, we have an instrument now that is so modular that we can change its configuration very easily. And at the same time, it's portable. So it's so lightweight that we can put it in a suitcase, take it to a workshop, take it to a conference like here, or take it to the scientists to do the experiments in their labs. We hope that this empowers people to do new experiments and get the best data that they ever wanted from their samples. And one important aspect I think to highlight is that it will increase the reproducibility. Basically, anyone around the world can request such an instrument for free and do the experiments they always wanted to do. And then anybody else can reproduce the data by requesting the exact same instrument. With a partnership with PI, it allows us to custom design these instruments more precisely and use the best in micro-positioning for these instruments, for these high-resolution microscopes. And the flexibility of the system allows us to also use different components from them and in the best possible way. We've been partnering with PI for a long time. We've used their stages for a long time already. So we have all the software to run their stages, and we're very happy with their performance, and that's why we decided to use them in the Flamingo as well.